Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of receipts? Or maybe you're just tired of manually inputting every transaction into YNAB. Well, if you're nodding your head right now, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the question, can I upload transactions to YNAB? YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a fantastic tool for taking control of your finances. But let's face it, manually entering every single transaction can be a real time suck. So, is there a way to automate this process? Can you simply upload a file with your transactions and let YNAB do the rest? Unfortunately, as of now, YNAB doesn't directly support file uploads for transactions. You can't simply drag and drop a CSV or Excel file and watch the magic happen. Workarounds and third-party tools. While direct file uploads aren't an option, there are a few workarounds and third-party tools that can significantly streamline the process. Manual import with categorization. Pros: full control over categorization and budgeting. Cons: time-consuming, especially for large transaction lists. YNAB's direct import from financial institutions. Pros: automatic synchronization of transactions. Cons: limited to supported financial institutions, potential for errors. Third-party apps and services. Pros: automate the import process, often with advanced features like categorization rules. Cons: may require additional costs, potential learning curve. Popular third-party options. Dash, a cashback app that can sync transactions to YNAB. Truebill, a budgeting app that can import transactions from various sources. YNAB's official API. For developers, this allows for custom integrations with other financial tools and services. Choosing the right method. The best method for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider the following factors. Frequency of transactions. If you have a lot of transactions, automation is key. Complexity of categorization. If your transactions require specific categorization rules, manual import might be better. Technical skills. If you're comfortable with APIs and coding, you can explore custom integrations. While YNAB doesn't offer direct file uploads, there are effective workarounds and third-party tools to simplify the import process. By leveraging these options, you can save time and effort, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, making the most of your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.